The Toro 60-volt leaf blower is the very definition of powerful. How powerful? Like hang on to your hat, batten down the hatches, Category 3 hurricane powerful. It can push 605 cubic feet of air per minute and a whopping 115 miles per hour. That's faster than the winds in most tornadoes. The high-performance DC motor is brushless. Translation, no brush. More helpful translation, you'll get more power, more runtime, less friction, less wear for a longer life. But the real secret sauce? Toro's 60-volt flex-force power system that knows how much power you need, when you need it, to give you max runtime. Add that all up and we're talking serious power at your fingertips. Literally. It's got a variable speed trigger with cruise control and turbo boost. Those leaves won't see it coming. Its comfortable ergonomic handle is designed to reduce arm fatigue and no cord, so you can reach every nook and every cranny. Plus, you can share batteries with the other 60-volt flex-force tools. You can even pop in a biggie from the 60-volt mower or snowblower if you want that extra boost of juice. This blower, mind-blowing. And don't forget, it's a Toro, so you can count on it, period. Hey, leaves? Leave.